down, Tommy Bird.
Why?
Thomas is being an idiot again. Why don't you tell everybody what you just did? CO2 pellet gun.
This thing shoots air like no tomorrow, and I shot myself in the head like this.
Alright, the song fits right now.
That.
Gotta get get. Gotta get
Oh!
Gotta get get. Gotta get get.
Ah! Fuck! Ow! Ah! Fuck me! Oh! Ah! Ah!
Wait. I got back up. There you go. Okay, go. This is gonna be funny shit. You gonna do it or no?
I'm having thoughts, man. Give me a break. Just let me think. Alright?
Why is this just like, let me do it, motherfucker? I'll shoot your dick off.
Okay, alright, cool. Holy shit, dog. Alright, man. Oh, fuck! Oh, please.
Wasting my CO2.
Oh, fuck this shit. Ow! What the fuck? Ow!
Why don't you shoot yourself, Sarah?
Oh, fuck, man! Why the fuck is so funny?
Still want to be a fireman?
Yes! A fireman! Oh, fuck! Policeman! Lock the door!
Says you're mean.
Mean! Oh! Give me that gun! Give me that fucking gun! Oh, my leg! Oh! That fucking gun! I'm fucking good.
Don't give it to him, please!
I'm fucking good.
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
Shoot it!
What the fuck you shooting me for? It's empty.
You shot me in the butt!
Whoa! Just fell down
I'm
again.
shooting you.
No, please. I'm begging you. All my kids are please.
Knees!
Please.
Knees!
You can take pain better than I can, Thomas.
And then you over hit my knees! Huh?
Tommy, please.
Also, the base.
Please, you can take pain. I can't.
Frank having a seizure because I beat on the wall.
Oh.
We're done.
Or
All right?
falling off the bed.
We're done. I gotta take a horrible piss.
Anything to say?
Fuck you.
No.
Meaning literally, asshole.
I have one. Almost got it shut off. Thanks to you.
Uh-huh.
One of goddamn guns. This concludes yet another twisted episode
Oh,
of
Tommy, bro!